out of here, you mutt!
Why, that dirty, mean old bully. Hey, you big ox. Why don't you pick on someone your size?
Okay, now you're my size. Take that and that. Oh, ow!
Are you hungry, Duffy? Do you want me to get you a bone?
Yeah.
Here you are, Palsy.
Now beat it.
Don't worry, little buddy. I'll get you something to eat. Service!
Yeah? What'll you have?
I want a big, juicy steak. Medium rare.
Coming up.
Just a minute, pal. Uh-oh. Thank you. One more steak, please. Medium raw.
Medium raw? What the? So, you're a wise boy. Ow! You little mutt. I'll put you where you can't go around biting me all the time. That'll cool him off. Ow! Ow!
Quick, hide in here.
So, there you are. Now, where did that little mutt go to? What's going on around here anyway? Oh boy, somebody's gonna get it around here. So, it's you. What was that? A little pounding with my tenderizer is good for a tough boy.
Let's get out of here, Duffy. What's the matter? Can't you see the sign? The store is closed.
I'll fricassee that crazy boy.
Come in. My, what a shocking sight. Oh, let's go, Duffy.
So, I fooled you this time, eh? Now, I got a good idea what to do with a smart aleck dog. Grind him up for sausage meat. Hey, Woodpecker! Here's your precious little doggy.
Duffy, my little pal.
Now take him and get out of here.
My poor little doggy. My little buddy and best pal. I'll never see him again.
Go, go, go!
I sure wish I had my little doggy back again.